Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome in our presentation. We submitted our presentation by our post teacher. In this slide, you can find our post teacher information. We are Cotonou team submitted our presentation and prepare our presentation. Here in this slide, you find our team member information. That's me, Tasmia Rahman, and my ID is 2213592. Today's our observation topic is gold. We take price in different countries in different time and shows the information about the gold price in different time in different countries. We take price in 1st January 2013 to 1st September 2022. We take recent data by our graph. Our observation countries are United States, America, United Arab Emirates, Australia, Qatar, Saudi Arab, Russia, Turkey and Bangladesh. In the next slide, you can see our calculate data and graph table. Here we included our weekly and you can find here all data information and our graph. Here are our data sheet. We included here 10 years golden price and our golden price are here. We see that at similar time the all countries golden price are uprising and decreasing. The next slide is the based on graph. Based on data, we select line series graph because we all know that in line series graph we included the information which are changes with time. In every particular graph, we included the date in horizontal axis and we included the price in y-axis. Now I invited my next team member to describe this slide. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Masuduzzaman Nilay. My student ID is 221-35901. Here our first graph for United States of America, USA, which we can see on the graph of the price lowest in 2015 and again it's uprising and the highest price in 2022. Here the total observation data is 117 and the total price for those observation is 5323.98. Here the arithmetic means for USA is 45515.5812. Here the graph for United Arab Emirates is, in this graph we can see that the price was lowest in 2015 and again it's rising in 2020 and then highest price in 2022. Here the total observation data is 117 and the total price for those observation is 19739.252. Here the arithmetic mean for AED is 168711.5556. Now I am inviting my next member.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nasir Rahman Rifat. ID 2135900. Here the graph for Bangladesh is, here we can see the most dispersion is price with time. In 2013, the price was high and after some time it's a small down. It's rising down, it's rising again in 2020. The highest market price in 2022. At the total observation data is 117 and the total price for those observation is 346.448.4. The arithmetic means for BD is 346.448.374.5117 and equal to 262961101.492. Now the graph for Australia is where we can see on the graph that the price continuously uprising in 2015 and the highest is 2022. Okay, here the total observation data is 117 and the total price for those observation is 7058853. Here the arithmetic mean for AUD is 30332.06692. Now I invite my next team member.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Samia Islam Asha. My ID is 221-35945 and my slide is Kuwaiti dinar. Here we can see on the graph that the price constantly up down on the highest price in 2020. Here the total observation data is 117 and the total price for the observation is 1614,451. Here the arithmetic mean for Kuwaiti dirham is 13798.17265. And my second graph is about Saudi Arabia. Here we can see on the graph that the price constantly up down on the highest price in 2020. Here the total observation data is 117 and the total price for the observation is 20215,360. Here the arithmetic mean for Saudi Arabia is 172780.8547.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarkar. My student ID is 221-35976. In this video, I will describe about the last 10 years gold price of Russia. Here you can see on the graph the price of gold was continuously ups and downs, and the highest price was in March 2022, and then it downs after some time. The total number of observation is 170, and total price of those is 328,420,870 ruble. The arithmetic mean of this is 280,701.983. The next graph is about in this graph we can see that the price was continuously increased with time. The number of observation is 170 and the total price of those is 30786,124 Turkish currency, and the arithmetic mean is for that 263,129.265. And this is the most important graph from this video. This is the final output of the video. In this graph, you can see United States of America, United Arab Emirates, Australia, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Turkey, and Bangladesh gold price list. Here we can see that the price of all countries are mostly similar. The line graphs are different because the currency value are different. In different countries, the money price is different. Thank you very much for your attention.